Welcome viewers, welcome to our easy drawing tutorial where we shall sketch delightful kitchen essentials, a spoon, plate and fork. Get your pencils ready and let's dive into this creative journey together. Begin by drawing a big circle for the plate, our canvas for this culinary masterpiece. Add a smaller circle inside for the rim of the plate. Now let's sketch the outline of the spoon starting with the handle. Draw a gentle curve for the top of the spoon and a slightly elongated oval for the bowl. For the fork, draw a straight line for the handle and three short parallel lines for the prongs. Connect the prongs with a slight curve to form the fork's head. Let's add some details to the plate by drawing concentric circles for a decorative touch. For the fork, add some texture to the handle with small lines or dots. Shade lightly under the rim of the plate and along its edges for depth. Add shading to the spoons, bowl and handle, focusing on areas where shadows would naturally fall. Similarly, add shading to the forks, prongs and handle to make it pop. Blend the shading and highlights gently with your finger over tissue for a smooth finish. Use your pencil to lightly shade the background for depth. Blend the shading to create a cohesive backdrop for our utensils. Raise any stray lines to clean up the drawing. Our charming spoon, plate and fork drawing is complete. Take a moment to appreciate your creativity and artistic skills. Remember, drawing is all about having fun and expressing yourself. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more easy drawing videos. Stay tuned for our next tutorial where we shall explore more creative adventures together. Thanks for